Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to display your bookings on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings icon. In the settings section, you can find the show your bookings option under the set starting point to my location button. And if you want to enable this function, just click to the next white circle icon and new your bookings is displayed. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.